Are you ready to supercharge your love life and find lasting happiness? Well, listen up, guys, because we've got something really special for you. We're going to reboot your love life in one weekend with our ultimate online intensive workshop for men. It's time to ditch old habits, banish self-sabotage, revamp your relationship patterns, and get really clear on what you want so you can save yourself countless hours and thousands of dollars pursuing the wrong women and quickly find and attract your ideal woman. And here's the best part, our commitment to you. We are so confident that this weekend workshop will totally transform your love life. We're backing it up with a 100% money back guarantee. If by the end of that first day of the workshop, you're not completely thrilled with it for any reason, we'll refund every penny of your investment. So save the dates, January 20th and 21st, 2 full days, and click on the link to RSVP now. We've got 25 seats available, so grab yours today. We're bringing the ultimate love revolution to the virtual dating world. Why settle for less when you can shift how you approach dating and attract the love you desire? This is a life-changing opportunity. You don't want to miss it. So go ahead and secure your seat right now.